Huh? What? Shh. No, what's going on? Hold up. What's wrong, Dad? She's on the roof. What are you talking about? Get the gun. No, I don't want to. No, get the goddamn gun. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Daddy, what's going on?
You stay inside, sweetie. Everything will be just fine. Listen to me, you witch! I told you to leave me and my family alone!
Daddy, what are you
I told you
doing?
to stay inside, sweetheart. I got the gun. I don't know what to... I can't take the shot, Carter. I can't do it. I said take the fucking shot, Carter! Give me that! Come on. Hold still, you bitch. What? No.